What type of police force does Saudi Arabia have? Centralized coordinated police force. What do you call if the entire police force in the country is organized as single force under the single commander, single model, or singular model? The protocol aims to preventing and combating the smuggling of migrants, as well as promoting cooperation among state parties while protecting the rights of smuggled migrants and preventing the most form of their exploitation, which often characterize the smuggling process. Protocol against the smuggling of migrants by land and air. 4. It is the civilian force in Spain and operates basically in urban areas. National Police. 5. The objective of protocol, which is the first legally binding instrument on small arms that has been adopted at the global level, is promote, facilitate, and strengthen cooperation among state parties in order to prevent, combat, and eradicate the illicit manufacturing of and trafficking in FES, their parts and components, ammunition. Protocol against the illicit manufacture of, trafficking in firearms, their parts and components, and ammunition. All applicants must have passed the latest physical fitness test conducted by PNP, Directorate for Human Resource and Doctrine Development, as well as medical, dental, and neuropsychiatric examination. This pertains to as one of the qualification to be a member of UN peacekeeping mission. Physical requirement. 7. Was the United Nations Convention against Transnational Organized Crime adopted by General Assembly, November 15, 2000. 8. What do you call if the police force have defined territories of functioning to their function do not overlap to each other? If the case is reversed as in India, what do you call when many agencies can have overlapping jurisdiction, multiple coordinated, multiple uncoordinated? 9. It entered into force on December 25, 2003, the first globally legally binding instrument with an agreed definition of trafficking in persons. Protocol to prevent, suppress, and punish trafficking in persons, especially in women and children. Public security policies is power from blank and blank. Executive order and Shaira. 11. Enumerate the three sets of provision under the protocol against the illicit manufacturing of and trafficking in firearms, their parts of components, and ammunition. Establishment of criminal offenses related to illegal manufacturing of and trafficking in firearms, system of government authorization or licensing intending to ensure illegitimate manufacturing of and trafficking in firearms, marking and tracing of firearms, This is after implementing rules and regulation for Republic Act 11,200 entitled An Act Providing for What Rank Classification in the Philippines, National Police amending for purpose Section 28 for Republic Act numbers 6975 as amended, otherwise known as the Department of Interior Local Government Act of 1990, was signed last March 25, 2019. Senior Police Officer or Police Executive Master Sergeant, Police Director, Police Major General. Number 13. What is the coverage of the UNSAT pre-qualifying exam? Written examination which covers reading comprehension, listening comprehension, report writing, driving proficiency test, firing proficiency test. 14. Rank requirement for police commission officer only within the rank of blank 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 are allowed to apply. Police Senior Inspector, Police Superintendent, Police Chief Inspector. Number 15. All applicants in UN peacekeeping missions must have attended a minimum of 5 years of active police service, including cadet chief of officer orientation trainee course and police basic course. This statement is false. 16. In this participation of PNP and UN peacekeeping mission, what are the special skills needed? Computer literacy requirement, driving proficiency requirement. The convention is further supplemented by the 3 protocols. What are those? Protocol to prevent, suppress, and punish trafficking. Punish trafficking in person, especially women and children. Protocol against the smuggling of migrants by land, sea, and air. Protocol against the illicit manufacturing of and trafficking in firearms, their parts, and components and ammunition. 18. It is military forces in Spain and operates mainly in rural area. Guardia Civil or Civil Guard. 19. All PNP personnel who are deployed as part of the UN peacekeeping mission shall have blank insure extended to 1 year and 6 months. What requirement for police non-commissioned officer? Only those within the rank bracket of blank to blank are allowed to apply. Police officer 3, senior police officer 4. 21. This is after the implementing rules and regulation for Republic Act number 11/200, entitled An Act Providing for the Rank Classification in the Philippine National Police, amending for the purpose Section 28 Republic Act number 6975 as amended, otherwise known as the Department of Interior and Local Government Act of 1990 was last signed last March 25, 2019. Police Officer 1, Patrolwoman, Police Officer 2, Police Corporal, Police Officer 3, Police Staff Sergeant. This is after the implementing rules and regulation of Republic Act number 11/200, entitled An Act Providing for the Rank Classification in the Philippines National Police, amending for purpose Section 28 of the Republic Act number 6975 as amended, otherwise known as the Department of Interior and Local Government Act of 1990, was last signed March 25, 2019. Police Inspector, Police Lieutenant, Police Superintendent, Police Lieutenant Colonel. What do you call religious police in Saudi Arabia, which is direct under the king and whose main duty is enforcement of Islamic Sharia? Vocabulary. 24. The police in Saudi Arabia is known as blank as responsible for general policing through the country. Public security police. The objective of protocol is to facilitate convergence regarded to the establishment of domestic criminal offense that would support efficient international cooperation in investigating and prosecuting trafficking in person case, and to protect and assist the victim of trafficking in person with full respect for their human rights. Protocol to prevent, suppress, and punishment trafficking in person, especially women and children. Applicants for UN peacekeeping mission must be less than 25 years old or more than 53 years old upon actual deployment. Calls. What do you call the local police in French municipality with restricted power wherein they can only enforce the municipal by law. Police municipal. It is the main intentional instrument in the fight against transnational organized crime. United Nations Convention against transnational crime. It is known as Mubahit, works under the control of General Directorate of Investigation and is responsible for criminal investigation, special investigative police. What are the two law enforcement agencies in France? Police Nationale, Gendarmerie Nationale. It was adopted by General Assembly Resolution 5525 entered into force on January 28, 2004. Protocol against smuggling of migrants by land, sea, and air. What type of model in single country there are number police force like in India, multiple model. What do you call if police force in a country do not have apparent centralized command structure? Decentralized command structure. What type of police force does France have? Multiple coordinated centralized police force. It was adopted by General Assembly Resolution 5525 on May 31, 2000. Protocol against the illicit manufacturing of and trafficking in firearms, their parts and components and ammunition. China is example of what police force? Singular coordinated police force. Service requirement: all applicants must have attend a minimum of active police service. 5. or minimum of active police service. 5. All applicants must hold a performance evaluation rating with a minimum satisfactory evaluation for 2 consecutive rating semester prior to the on-site examination. False. What type of police force does Spain have? Multiple coordinated centralized police force. Police in Saudi Arabia, which is known as public security police, is divided into what are those? Regular police, special investigative police. What do you call the 2 police force agency of Spain? National Police, Guardia Civil, or Civil Guard? It is a functional organized in China under the State Council in charge of public security work nationwide. Ministry of Public Security. Controlled by single authority, controlled by several authorities rather than a single one. Centralized and decentralized. Within this model, this is an emphasize or trying and preventing crime from happening and has more proactive stance than traditional policing does. Problem-solving policing. Within this type of policing, the officers will have a zone in which to work in during their shift. The officer will make their presence known. Also rely on community citizens to report any suspicion, behavior, or tips of criminal in area. Community organized policing. Law enforcement in United States is decentralized. What do you call if police force in country is highly organized and centralized and having centralized command? Coordinated centralized police force. For the state of machinery it is an inevitable organ which would ensure maintenance of and order, and also the first link in the criminal justice system. Law enforcement. All participants must be recommended by the unit of commander. True. All PNP personnel who are deployed as part of the UN peacekeeping mission shall have 1 year extendable to a 6 months. True.